Good evening, guys. Hope you're having fun. My name is Rajat and I'm from Campfire Graphic Novels. We are here to launch our forthcoming graphic novel, Sinbad, The Legacy. And I've got with me Andrew, who's my friend. And we guys will tell you something about the book, first of all, to start off things. This book is about Sinbad. As you all know who Sinbad is. He's an adventurer. And he's the biggest adventurer of the high seas. And this book is about a kid who's the son of the prince of Arabia, and he realizes that his kid is he has a spoiled kid. So he invites his old friend Sinbad to come and help him to make his son, to transfer the legacy that he has in his son, so that in future he becomes a very good sort of.
You mean a hero?
Yeah, he be the hero, exactly, the hero of the story. So thank you here. So Andrew, would you like to tell us something about adventures and all?
Yeah. Well, to be honest, what we're trying to do with Sinbad is to bring back the adventure story. Like the real grit and guts of the adventure story. Like, I don't know how many of you all have heard of Ray Harryhausen. Anyone? Harryhausen? Clash of the Titans, the old Clash of the Titans. Yeah, like those kind of films. They brought back like swashbuckling, guys on the high seas fighting, like real badasses. Not like people who sparkled in the night, like in the day, sorry. So anyways, yeah, we're trying to bring back the adventure comic, right? So like when we're launching, what we're going to do with Sinbad is to bring back the real hero. Like, guys with like facial hair. Not like the real hero. So anyways, let me bring on stage our art director, Mr. Rajesh. He's going to give you a brief rundown on like what we do at Campfire, how we work with the art department, like guys, artists, like why we have an in-house art team, things like that. So here, Mr. Rajesh.
Hi. Working with Campfire is a great experience for all the artists. Mr. Tirani, the founder of the Campfire, gave us a great platform. He created a very friendly and homely atmosphere for the artists where there is no tension. So because of that, we try out different styles. We don't really try the conventional, the natural way of doing comics. For each and every comic, we try to come up with a new style. We don't really name it. We can't really name the styles. So that is why we're getting good response. And we got 2 awards. And we're really proud of our art team. And let me introduce the artist of the Sinbad, Mr. Naresh Kumar.
Alright guys, so he is Mr. Naresh Kumar, who has done the illustration for this graphic novel, Sinbad, The Legacy. He's a real hard-working artist. As you guys know that we have come up with 62 titles now, and Mr. Naresh has done almost 7 titles for us. And if may I invite Mr. Pradeep, also is the colorist of this graphic novel, to unveil the cover. So guys, now you'll see the cover of this title, unveiling especially for you. Here it is.
Facial hair, ladies and gentlemen, facial hair.
This is what he was talking about. And the cover design has been done by Pradeep himself. He's a very talented artist with us. And we are happy to have all of you here. You guys have a good evening and enjoy the Comic Con. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much, Air.